Now, this very important question is exercise 7.2, question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. What is the name of that bisector? C. OB and OC, these are two bisectors, and these two bisectors intersect angle B, okay, in two equal parts, and angle C in two equal parts. Okay, join A to O, join A to O, then show that OB equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. Okay, now one very important thing in triangle ABC, when two sides are equal, okay, what we have seen in that theorem earlier we have done, that is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, then I can say this full angle B and angle C should be equal. So I have written here angle B is equal to angle C. This is your first equation. Okay, and what the things are given to you, this is the angle bisector, OB is the angle bisector, and here OC is the angle bisector. Angle bisector means what? Angle B and angle C bisects angle in two equal parts. The general meaning is this. Okay, and when two equal parts means what? Which two parts are? ABO and CBO. These two parts should be equal because OB is the bisector of angle B. Okay, now similarly ACO and BCO should be equal because OC is the bisector of angle C. So by 1, 2 and 3, what you can say? You can say angle ABO should be equal to angle ACO, and angle this CBO should be equal to angle BCO. These two should be equal. Okay, and angle, just you see, angle ABO and angle ACO both are equal. Then what is the meaning? And angle CBO, these two angles, if these two angles are equal, if both are equal, then what we can say? These two sides should be equal. There implies what we, from this what we can say? You can say OB equal to OC. Okay, and what is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, if these two are equal, this is your answer number 1. This only we want. This is your answer number 1. Then for answer number 2, you have to take two triangles ABO, because you have to find AO bisects angle A. AB in triangle ABO and triangle ACO. That is why we have to take the two triangles ABO and ACO. Then in these two triangles, what is given to you? AB equal to AC is given in the question. This is given in the question. This is one side. Angle we know it here. ABO is equal to ACO. This is the angle. This is, I can say, star. Angle ABO is equal to angle ACO by equation star. Then one side I want OB is equal to OC. This is OB equal to OC. From where you got it? By answer number 1. If these two are equal, then what you can say? You can say these two triangles, triangle ABC, should be congruent to triangle ABO, sorry, ABO should be congruent to ACO by SAS rule. If both are congruent, then what is the meaning? It will be angle BAO, this angle. This angle should be equal to this. Angle BAO is equal to angle CAO by CPCT. What is the name of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. What is the meaning? If these two are equal, no, this and this both are equal, and AO is the line, we can say AO bisects angle A. This implies AO bisects angle A. This is your answer number 2. Yes, now question number 2 of exercise 7.2. See here, this is of 7.2, exercise 7.2. Okay, in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. This is the line BC. So what is side BC? So perpendicular bisector means 90 degree and BD will be equal to CD. What you have to show? You have to show ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. You have to show AB equal to AC only. So I am taking two triangles ADB and ADC. In which one? In this triangle, what is given? Two things are given to you. This perpendicular bisector is given to you. One side is given to you. What is C here? BD is equal to CD. Okay. This is what we can say. AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. This is the reason. And what about angle ADB and angle ADC? Because AD is perpendicular to BC. That is why it is 90 degree. And what about this AD? AD is common in these two triangles. See, AD equal to AD, you can say. But here, this is your side, this is your angle, this is your side. Then what you can say? Triangle ADB should be congruent to triangle ADC by SAS rule. If both are congruent, then what is the meaning? You can say AB equal to AC by CPCT. What is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle.